On the 2nd of July 2025, SS Innovations International officially launched the Mantram Surgical Robot Yatra. The Yatra is a landmark nationwide initiative aimed at raising awareness about the transformative benefits of robotic surgery. The Yatra was flagged off by Honbul Shri Rao Narbir Singh Ji from Gurugram in Haryana. Led by Dr. Sudhir Srivastava, MD, founder and chairman of SS Innovations, from the SSI headquarters in Gurugram. Through hands-on demonstrations and clinical interactions, the Yatra plans to enable the surgeons, particularly in underserved areas, to experience the capabilities of the Mantra surgical robotic system, thereby fostering greater understanding, adoption, and accessibility.
अब जब आप रोबोट की बात करते हैं तो रोबोट्स की जो मशीन होती है इसके बहुत सारे अच्छे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं जिससे सारे कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑपरेशन हार्ट सर्जरी भी छोटे छोटे छेदों से हम लोग कर सकते हैं और इससे बहुत कम कॉम्प्लिकेशंस होती हैं और रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं। मरीजों को अस्पताल में ज़्यादा नहीं रहना पड़ता है और अस्पताल छोड़ करके भी बहुत तेज़ी से रिकवरी होती है। तो ये जो है बहुत एडवांस्ड है और सारी स्पेशलिटी इसके लिए बनी है।
Of high-precision robotic surgery across India. The Mantram Surgical Yatra commenced at Sawai Man Singh Medical College, Jaipur, with an engaging keynote by Dr. Sudhir Srivastava and a live demonstration of the SSI Mantra Surgical Robotic System. The event garnered significant interest from faculty, students, and media, generating widespread enthusiasm for India's indigenous robotic technology.
हम जैसे बच्चे जो अभी इंटर्न या फाइनल ईयर में होते हैं, जो आगे अब पीजी ब्रांच के लिए जाना चाहते हैं, जिनके लिए सर्जरी एक ऑप्शन अच्छा लग्जरियस हो सकता था और थोड़ा सा जो कतराते इस ब्रांच को लेने के लिए कि मैं कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं कर सकता हूँ, उनके लिए शायद ये अच्छा ऑप्शन है, मेरे जैसों के लिए स्पेशली।
At AIIM's Jodhpur, coinciding with RoofCon, the Yatra received an overwhelming response from the surgical community. Dr. Srivastava showcased the Mantra, 3 systems' advanced capabilities in telesurgery and teleproctoring, with hands-on demonstrations at the Mantra Mobile Surgical Unit, drawing commendation from leading surgeons. A special interactive session with the press was also held to brief the media about the idea behind the Yatra and its potential impact and benefits.
It's not a marketing tool, so I just want to be very clear. The goal is to really increase the awareness in, first of all, medical colleges, institutions like AIIMS, whereby the students actually have exposure to what actually exists in India, made in India, which is very advanced, technologically very different, very user-friendly, and most importantly, very cost-effective, because that has been one of the reasons that the robotic surgery in India did not actually pan out to the level that it could or it should.
The journey continued to Mathuradas Mathur Medical College, Jodhpur, where aspiring surgeons and the broader community actively engaged with the technology. The initiative underscored India's growing leadership in medtech innovation and the transformative potential of robotic-assisted surgery in enhancing surgical precision, training, and accessibility.
Whatever initiative that has been taken from your side, it's very commendable. Handling of the joystick was very comforting for me, and in future, I would like to get more hands-on on it.
Following this, the Yatra made a meaningful stop at the Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Ajmer. Dr. Sudhir Srivastava, who was honored with the JLN Ratna Award, becoming only the 4th recipient of this prestigious recognition.
बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि हमारे फर्स्ट बैच के स्टूडेंट डॉक्टर सुधीर श्रीवास्तव जी, जो कि इसके एमडी हैं, सीईओ हैं, उन्होंने ये रोबोट बनाया है। इस रोबोट में काफ़ी अच्छी फीचर्स हैं। इसका 3rd जनरेशन है जिसको कि SSI मंत्रा रखा है नाम, और इन्होंने एक यात्रा रखी, रोबोटिक सर्जरी मंत्रम यात्रा, जिसमें ये सभी शहरों में जा के अपना ये डेमो दे रहे हैं। आज अजमेर में अपने उपस्थित हैं। डॉक्टर सुधीर श्रीवास्तव का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और यहाँ पर हम आभार व्यक्त करते हैं। उनके अपने कॉलेज के अंदर उन्होंने अपना रोबोट का एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के लिए रखा गया है।
The visit included live demonstrations of the Mantra Surgical Robotic System, an interactive Q&A session with students and faculty, and heartfelt tributes from senior dignitaries and mentors, making it a deeply memorable and inspiring event.
आज का दिन बहुत ही विशेष दिन है कि आज हमारे यहाँ रोबोटिक सर्जरी पे हैंड्स ऑन वर्कशॉप हो रही है। इससे पहले हमारे कॉलेज में, हॉस्पिटल में लेप्रोस्कोप से, दूरबीन से ऑपरेशंस होते थे, और एक ये नवाचार और नई गैजेट्स में एक नया आयाम स्थापित करेगी। अति शीघ्र हम चाहेंगे कि हमारे कॉलेज में भी रोबोटिक सर्जरी शुरू हो जाए।
Today we got this wonderful opportunity to experience robotic surgery because of SS Mantra, and we are thankful to them for this. And it's been a wonderful workshop and exposure, and I found it very technically very precise robotic surgery. I used to think about it, but like on experiencing it, I feel it would do wonders for the surgical part of the medical science.
And I realized the journey of robotic surgery and the journey of innovation, absolute commitment, lot of patience, and failures will occur, and persistence. And this is really has been part of my personal journey, that literally don't give up. And this is what I say, there are a lot of students sitting here. I was at your stage at one time. If you have an idea, you're sincere, beyond yourselves, go for it. And this is how we will contribute to the science, the progress of science. Let us love all and serve all. Quality and care through innovation and compassion. So with that, again, thank you very much for giving this opportunity to share what I think, hopefully it will inspire you guys. Thank you very much.
The final chapter of the Mantram Surgical Robot Yatra concluded at Government Senior Secondary School, Chandwaji, Amir, Jaipur, in collaboration with Barchala NGO, which works in child education and anti-human trafficking. Over 350 students and community members participated in the event, which featured a screening on the evolution of robotic surgery in India, a guided tour of the telesurgery mobile unit, and live demonstrations of the Mantram Telesync mobile unit. A healthcare-themed quiz led to 6 outstanding students being selected for a visit to the SS Innovations headquarters in Gurugram for hands-on exposure to the Mantra 3 surgical robotic system.
जो मंत्रम नाम का जो कार्यक्रम रहा वो औरों से हटके ये इसीलिए था कि ये पूर्णतया शिक्षा पे केंद्रित था, और जो भी साइंस की शिक्षा पे, जैसे रोबोटिक सर्जरी है, टेक्नोलॉजी है, इसका ज्ञान बच्चों को दिया गया है। ये लीक से हट करके कार्यक्रम था, बच्चों को अवेयरनेस पैदा करने के लिए, और एक रोबोटिक सर्जरी नाम का जो आपने एक ज्ञान प्रदान किया वो तो पूरी तरह से अलग था।
The event highlighted the importance of quality education and aimed to inspire young minds, particularly in underserved regions, to explore careers in science, technology, and medical innovation. Mantra M Yatra aims at bridging the gap between innovation and grassroots education. This initiative continues to empower the next generation to dream bigger and contribute meaningfully to India's healthcare and technological future.